Have you seen this popular illusion diffusion art that's been trending lately? In today's video, I will demonstrate how you can create this effect too. Open a web browser and type in hugging face. Then click on the very first link. Scroll down and choose illusion diffusion. And upload your picture. Adjust the illusion strength and write a prompt. You can also try a negative prompt and click to run. Be patient as the server might be busy, so you might need to try a few times. After waiting a bit, you will have your beautiful illusion diffusion art ready. I hope you learned something new today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.